ladies and gentlemen, this is the third non-bank financial institutions dinner and awards night 2024. And we're giving out some special awards institutions, departments of or at the central bank. We honor your distinguished leadership. If you want to clap, please clap. Your leadership qualities, innovation, hard work, tenacity, and the high sense of professionalism you have displayed. Microfinance.
Set our sight on the continued growth of the informal sector, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and integral part of the Ghanaian economy. Thank you.
Some of the key interventions in the economy are also and will continue to support your businesses. And I think I'll mention, for example, I was very happy to know that the Development Bank Ghana is really supporting the savings and loans and SMEs, and they are not supporting them just at a very small level. The scale is quite massive. What I'm told is that within the next 12 to 18 months, they want to scale up support for your sector to the tune of 3 billion, sales. And they have already started. I mean, they are ramping up almost 100 million. And some of the institutions that are benefiting are here. And I think that I'll just mention some of them. For example, I understand Advance is working with them. I understand Sinapiyaba is working with them. These are public because sometimes you see the signposts. I also understand Opportunity International is working with them. I also understand that they are engaging some rural banks like Akwapi Rural Bank, Amafima Rural Bank, and Sefima Rural Bank. Clearly, at the national level, your institutions are very important strategically, and I think all of you should try and work hard to make sure that you benefit from these important interventions. So I would conclude by asking you that enjoy the rest of the evening. Congratulations to the winners of the awards, and God bless you and God bless our country.
Say that for some institutions, when we call on you to support us, you responded favorably, and tonight I want to acknowledge them and also to plead with you, institutions and businesses that interact with them, deal with them.
The Bank of Ghana has played a leading role in deepening financial inclusion. Our National Payment System Strategic Plan 2019 to 2024 and its implementation is a testament to this fact, playing a crucial role in promoting financial inclusion through creating a secure and efficient payment system. It leverages digital technologies to overcome barriers to access financial services in rural areas and high transaction costs. Ladies and gentlemen, the FinTech sector report for the second quarter of 2024 provides encouraging data. 24 million mobile money accounts have been registered with an annual transaction volume surpassing 1.9 trillion Ghana cedis. These figures are not just numbers. They represent millions of Ghanaians who now have access to financial services that were previously out of reach. They symbolize the transformative power of FinTech in bridging the financial inclusion gap. However, we have to admit that the microfinance sector faces significant challenges that must be addressed to enhance its sustainability and effectiveness. Key issues we've identified include corporate governance weaknesses, inadequate risk management systems and practices, and non-compliance with regulatory requirements, which we know very well. These challenges have led to the insolvency of some microfinance institutions and a loss of public confidence in the sector. To better serve the informal sector, microfinance institutions must strengthen their governance structures, enhance risk management, and ensure full compliance with regulatory requirements. And with the hope that this will safeguard the institutions and build trust among the public, ensuring that the sector can continue to play its pivotal role in financial inclusion.
I crave your indulgence to quote from Nelson, Lori Halala Mandela's book, Long Walk to Freedom. And I quote, I have walked that long road to freedom. I've tried not to falter, try not to falter. I've made missteps along the way, but I've discovered a secret that after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. I've taken a moment here to rest, to steal a view of the growing visitor that surrounds me, to look back on the distance I've come, and I can rest for a moment, for with freedom comes responsibilities, and dare not linger, for my long walk is not yet what ended. To summarize what I've quoted, I urge all of you to be climbers and not quitters or clampers, regarding your attitude and goals for work and life. I'm simply saying, don't let it be complacent. Whether we win awards or not, let's keep keeping on. To you all, I say Abawa, Baraka Zua. I thought it used to be Saraka and I'm changing it. That means an expression was waiting for me. We are waiting. And you all are warmly welcome to this evening's award ceremony. I take credit for the good things, and I ask those who wrote it to take all the liabilities. God bless us.
Let's give a round of applause, please. Yes.
Financial sector over the years has gone through various reforms and reviews, and this is the third award that we are doing as an industry to acknowledge the role that is being played by these players. And you will realize that our member institutions, the rural banks, the credit unions, the susu collectors, the microcredit institutions, the microfinance, the savings and loans companies have been playing various roles, and they keep on growing their assets. And if you look at it, actually you see that deposit is growing so well. So this is to tell us that if we give attention to the non-bank financial sector, they will be able to support in businesses, they will support households, and they will continue to help with financial inclusion. Yes, you realize that the non-bank sector has been one of the sectors that had been neglected for so many years. Fortunately, we have seen some improvement in the level of operations and the level of involvement of the government. As it stands now, we are in the process of developing a policy for the whole microfinance industry. And this is the first time we are seeing such a support, that when the government is able to adopt this policy, we will see some level of commitment from the government. And with this policy draft that has been done, it was done with industry and Bank of Ghana. So this is a good direction by the government, and we want to encourage everybody to come on board. Investors will now begin to have confidence in the sector, that this is a sector that the government is very much interested in its survival, and also the regulators are also very keen to making sure that the sector is robust to serve its interests. There are some of our institutions who have already been benefiting from the funds that have made available through the Development Bank of Ghana. And so DBG has started, and some of our institutions are already benefiting from this wholesale credit facility, so that our institutions who know how to deliver credit best will now deliver this credit to businesses, to households, to propel the economy. And so this is something that we welcome it. And our institutions, we encourage all our institutions to take advantage of these facilities for growth.
So finally, how you live with
You realize that our sector deals with the very core of the community. And so when the economy faces some challenges, you will see it in the lives of our customers. And so we have seen that some of our customers are defaulting, but because of the robust credit system that we have put in place, we are mitigating these defaults, and we will encourage everybody who has taken a facility from any of the financial institutions. If you think you have a challenge in repayment, approach your financial institutions, and we are sure that they will be able to help you address your challenges.
Awochi, and I'm with Salt to Ghana Financial NGO, and on behalf of all the awardees, I would like to appreciate GAMFIN, Ghana Microfinance Institutions Network, and also Bank of Ghana for all the support they've been giving us. And I would like to say that we do expect more from Bank of Ghana to do more to support us, the institutions, in terms of making the regulation very friendly for us, so that we can also operate in a very compliant environment. And so tonight we are very excited about this program, this awards night, and we look forward to more of it. And we pray that the Lord will bless our industry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. And